Hey guys, this is the Rock Cooking Adventure. This is host Rock. This is Rico the Rock. We're gonna make roasted chicken. We got a 3-pound chicken to herb. When you cook your chicken, wash it. And we're gonna oil the chicken and then we're gonna put some seasoning in it. Put our season on. I moved it, guys. We have this spice. We got this spice. We got this spice. Now we're gonna cook our chicken. We're gonna cook our chicken for 35 minutes. Hey, Dad, the chicken is done. Can you get it out, please? Yummy! Oh, that chicken looks good. Dad, can you cut this, please? Almost cut yourself.
No, sir.
Hmm?
No, sir. Cut this. Looks good inside. Looks good outside. Let's just cut this into sections. Ooh, hot. Ooh. Super hot, Rico.
Yeah. Let me do this.
Ooh. I suggest you guys let this cool down before cutting it. Move your fingers.
Huh?
It's super hot, bud. Look at that.
This is on a plate then.
Get that.
These are good cakes.
Yeah, they are. There you have.
Oh yeah.
Hey guys, there you have Rico Larock's baked chicken. If you guys enjoyed this video from Rico, please subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can get all the uploaded content. Good job, buddy. Bon appetit.